So for National 5, you need to know 6 different unit multipliers. So I'm just going to go through these, starting with K, which stands for kilo. So you'll have heard about kilo because it's 1,000 grams. So that's, for instance, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, or 1 kilometer would be 1,000 meters. And if you're putting that into your calculator, it's times 10 to the power 3. Mega is 1,000,000, 6 zeros, so they go up by powers of 10 to the power 3, and a mega, for instance, would be a mega ohm, which would be 1,000,000 ohms, and in that case we're using times 10 to the power 6, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, or the decimal point has been moved 6 places. The top one may be new to some people, maybe who aren't so interested in computing and gaming, but giga is often referred to as a billion, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Now you can see why we tend to use times 10 to the power 9, and that could be a gigahertz or a gigabyte of memory in a computer or a phone. So that's our base there of 1. If we go the other way, then a milli, you should know from being millimeters or milligrams, then that's going to be 1,000th or 0.01. And on your calculator, that would be times 10 to the minus 3. Micro might be a microamp. And the way you draw the micro starts at the bottom, goes up, and then becomes a U. So it's the Greek symbol mu, and that's times 10 to the power minus 6, or 0.00001, or a millionth is micro. The last one's even smaller, which is nano, and nano is just a small n, and that could be ns for nanoseconds, and that's a billionth. So 9 zeros, or 0.000000001. And again, it makes sense to use times 10 to the power minus 9. They all move up or down by times 10 to the power 3, and you need to know the abbreviation as well as the name and how you would convert to them.